Hi 1x fans, do you ever think the original selfie stick is too large for you? And today I will show you the way to DIY this one to a smaller selfie stick. So let's go! You can buy this toy from AliExpress or eBay. It can extend, and the head it can use as a flashlight here or a magnetic. The first thing you need to do, you just open its head and let move a battery out, and then you will see a small rubber seal in two sides. Take it out. It have a small switch inside here. You also need to bring it out together. Just use a small clamp and take inside part out. Here, this first one, and switch. After you move everything off, then you soak ahead in the hot water for 5 minutes, and after that you dry it and use your hand, move a little bit slow, step by step, and try to pull it off like this. Oop. It's like this. Because ahead area they have a small gap here to hold glue. You can also move the body by hold this together. And right now you can decide to use it or not, as it shorter, a little bit shorter when you use without this one. And now I have an adapter from 3/8 size to 1/4 size. I will insert it, but I would like to set it by use an epoxy. This is metal epoxy from 3M, and you need to make sure that it will hard after it kill or already set it. So let's try to use it. And it says you need to mix it around 15 minutes before use. Everything was set and epoxy already dry, and when you let it dry you need to stay it in vertical. I see some epoxy overlap, and I will clear it by use a cutter here. And we are now good to go. So let's check about the size. Because I decided to remove outer part, and it will let a little bit shorter, like 1 centimeter. is wobbly. I think I keep the gooseneck inside for better result. Feel a little bit loose, but still you can still use because the length, total length is just 45 centimeter, and I will take some photo to show you about the invisible performance, but I think it should be okay. I'm so happy to have a smaller selfie stick because you can hold it easily and it's not so heavy. And I think this should be my new selfie stick that is easily to carry on. If you have any question, you can leave it at the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. You will never miss any update about our DIY. See you in the next clip.